Now, I went ahead and put our portobellos, or Bobby went ahead and put our portobellos on the grill over break because they take longer than like our little pencil asparagus. So look at these beautiful mushrooms, would you? Look at all that juice. Our lamb chops look fabulous.
They're perfect.
They are, they're perfect. We're just gonna throw our asparagus and our tomatoes right up here on this little extra grate, just so they won't fall through. Bobby, just put the tomatoes back there, son.
All right.
Look at there. Is that not like beautiful colors? Why don't we just shut the grill, Bobby?
Okay.
Let those heat up. And if you would, just be cutting our portobellos like into strips. And we're gonna do something a little different. Now, the recipe in my magazine just calls for the portobellos, the asparagus, and the tomatoes. But because we need a starch, well, maybe we don't need it, but we want it.
We want it.
We want a starch to go along with those lamb chops. We're gonna toss this in pasta. So that'll give us our starch and our vegetable all in one dish. Now, while Bobby's doing that, I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna make us a little seasoning to go onto our pasta and our vegetables, Bobby. And I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of dried parsley, a teaspoon and a half of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then last, a little fresh ground black pepper. And you can just do this to taste. How are those vegetables doing, Bobby?
Vegetables look good. They really don't need that long.
No.
Okay, here we are, Mom. The asparagus and tomatoes are ready.
These look beautiful, Bobby.
And the chops are perfect.
All right, we've got our pasta. Now, you can use any type of pasta that you want. I'm just gonna use a penne. And look at these portobellos. Ooh, Bobby. Just gonna lift off our asparagus. And I'm just gonna cut this. Oops, in the bowl that goes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Warm, warm, warm. Okay. Let's see if this is cooled off. No, it's still a little warm, so I'm just gonna take those and roll those tomatoes right off our rack. Okie doke, the salad is almost together, Bobby.
Look at that.
Oh, they look fabulous.
They're beautiful.
Gosh, I mean, Bobby, we have got a meal fit for a king put together here.
That salad's gorgeous, too.
Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I think just some fresh lemon juice is in order. And now our dry seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle our seasoning on here, Bobby.
All right, I'm gonna get your chops ready.
Look at this. Pass me that olive oil, son. Even though we had a little, yes, I just want to drizzle just a little bit. Dig in, son.
Portobello, like you said, portobello is, I like it because it's almost like the consistency of it's almost like a chop.
Ooh,
I mean, it's like a piece of meat.
Is it good? Do you like it? Does it need some more olive oil or anything?
That's a great salad.
Does it need more lemon juice?
Doesn't need anything but for you to eat it.
Just needs lips. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.